Hey everyone! If you're using the Gemini app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 series and want to activate voice control using Hey Google, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the steps to get it set up quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Gemini app on your phone. Before you do anything, make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store. An outdated version might not have the settings we need. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap your profile icon. You'll find it at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the menu that opens, go ahead and tap on Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option called Hey Google and VoiceMet. Tap on that. Step 5. Now, you'll see a switch next to Hey Google. Simply toggle that on. Step 6. A new screen will appear, asking you to say a few phrases so the assistant can recognize your voice. Just follow the instructions on the screen and repeat the sentences clearly. Once you finish the setup, the Hey Google feature will be activated, and you can start using it right away. Now, anytime you say, Hey Google, your phone will start listening, and you can ask questions, set reminders, or control your smart devices hands-free. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and follow for more tips and tricks for your Samsung device.